find it's a great opportunity to meet a lot of people. I find the content very, very good and very apt and appropriate to what we do. So for that reason, I find it's a reinvigorating event. Just get you motivated, you walk away with some ideas.
Different companies and industries represented, so that's what I mean. It's a great chance to meet different people and things like that, so it's good.
Well, I'm in the advertising industry and obviously understood the brand Harley-Davidson. Just keen to see how we grew it and how I can do the same in my company.
Very often early bird to start with, but when you have, I suppose, good speakers and the prospect of nice food and the ability to, network and talk to people, it's a great opportunity.
So loyalty in this instance definitely proves that it can turn a business around.